everybody. Today is the 4th of July. It's been a few days since I vlogged. I've been kind of just relaxing a little bit. Took a break from the camera for... When did my last vlog go up? I don't know. But anyway, how are you guys? How is everyone? Today we're going to pretty much relax. We cooked yesterday. We kind of grilled out yesterday, so we're not going to do that again today. But we are going to the fireworks show here in town later. I don't really need to see the fireworks. I could actually skip it all. But the children, the husband, they want to do it. So I'm going to be a good sport and I'm going to go. And I better not get bit up by mosquitoes. Everyone else is, well, not everyone else. Adam and my brother-in-law Kelton went to go get donuts and the children are still asleep. It is now 11:10. That shows you how late they've been staying up this whole time. Anyway, I am going to straighten up around here. Can you see this mess? Can you see it? I'm supposed to be straightening up. I'm sitting. It looks so pretty outside. I guarantee you it is a million bazillion damn degrees outside. I am not here for it. Alright, let me go clean up this kitchen. Meh. Somebody finally decided to wake up. Why did we wake up? Dunkin' Donuts. That's why we woke up. Come here, let me see the donut you got. What does it taste like?
Chocolate.
She's so happy right now.
You be good for me. Enjoy your summer. I'll come see y'all again.
So weird.
Bye, cat. He done ran off.
Kitty.
High five. You squeezing poots out of people? That's just nasty. See you later, dude. I love you.
I love you.
You love me? I love you, dog.
Yeah,
Where's the cat?
He hiding because Dylan was chasing him.
Upstairs. No,
It's
you guys
ungodly hot outside. I'm not looking forward to this.
See, I knew it.
Woo. Y'all gonna die tonight, pop fireworks, watching fireworks, whatever y'all do. There it is, my boy. Woo!
popping one firework.
Stop. He crazy.
Daddy, this
All right, we go.
Come on, we'll walk you out.
Daddy.
Oh, that
Understatement of heat.
hit you in the face. Hit you in the face.
Taking
Here,
a picture of my
hold this for a
riding
second.
drive.
Woo! I can't even see.
I'll bring Demon with me next time I come. I got on short. Hey.
Oh, I didn't know you called her that. I know you called her.
Oh, I got two demons. One's a good demon. I'm like Angel. Got the good demons and the bad demons.
Called her.
I call it everybody.
Quit talking about it. Talk to
I'm like Sally, both demons. It's demons in their own ways.
Haley's demon to me and I'm demon to Haley.
Oh,
I'm just bad.
Alright, who's gonna mow the grass?
D.
Yeah, make sure you wear that Russell Wilson shirt, traitor.
I didn't even get this.
He did.
Well, at least you ain't a cowboy
That
fan.
was actually sent.
He is a cowboy fan.
I know it. His daddy turncoated him. You pick your own team. Like I told my son, you gotta be a 49er fan.
No.
Whatever. Bet y'all love it.
Terrible.
Whatever.
49ers are terrible.
We're Cowboys got the same amount of Super Bowls. Peace out, y'all.
All right, y'all be careful.
Well,
Come back, Solo.
I think I'm gonna cruise on the way home because
Come on, let's go outside.
there'll be too many popos out.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, if you want to get out before it's drunk, you can get to drive.
Yep.
Solo.
Alright, we'll see y'all next time.
Which way's easier? That way to that?
Yeah, that way. You gotta go that way. I mean, you can, but for what?
Ooh, it's hot.
Oh man, it's hot. Look at, look at. Bye. Look at.
Jeez, you need one of those.
I would have a heart attack every time you try to leave the house on it. That's just me. I have severe anxiety when it comes to traumatic brain injuries. My dog is weird.
I love trucks.
Really? You're a girl.
Girls can like trucks.
Well, I don't know any girls who like trucks. My brothers don't even like trucks.
Solo.
What are they doing?
Killing ants.
What's up, dude? Solo.
They can.
What are you doing?
Well, before they were putting Tiger Bomb in their wieners.
So weird.
My Kindle, I want to read.
So we are heading to go see the fireworks, I guess. Or something or another they're having in town. I just got through watching Orange is the New Black. And I know I'm late,
Which one's the Wi-Fi one?
but I'm mighty pissed off about it. The last 2 episodes were really good, and I'm glad they approached the subject matter. I don't like the way it ended. I don't like the way it ended. I'm not happy. I'm not anxious to see more. I really am not happy. I'm kind of pissed off. I already knew that Poussey was gonna die. I already knew that because spoilers in the internet. I just didn't know how she was gonna die. I actually thought it was gonna be the skinhead chicks some kind of way when I first started watching it. Anyway, I'm not happy about that. I'm kind of pissed. Anyway, we have had the laziest day, but I keep starting these vlogs and I don't finish them. So even though I'm mad, we're gonna finish the vlog for the day. This should be pretty nice where we're going though. It's supposed to be a big thing. We actually gotta go get some cash so we can get in. It's like $10 a car or something like that. We don't have any cash, but alright, we are walking to this town. I don't know where the hell we're going. We're irritated. There's bugs out here. But at least we got away from the country music. Oh my god. Alright, go. Wait. Okay, you're getting close to me.
Yeah, I know.
You're tired, ain't you?
Yeah.
This place is starting to fill up. It's pretty dark out here. No fireworks yet, I guess. It actually looks a lot brighter in this camera than it does out here. Look, this still looks like it's lots of light, and it ain't. Just waiting on the fireworks. These people live on these lakes right here. This is like, this is right by our kids' school. And that's the lake over there. Can't see it because it's dark. There, you can see it. That's all the lake. But yeah, their houses are right here, and they're getting ready to build this massive one right there. Or they're building it. They all look like they're almost done. They're not. It can't be far from being done. Yeah, see? It's getting pretty full out here. I Waiting on the damn fireworks to start because the bugs are so biting. They ain't
The
waiting.
wind's blowing, so it's not so.
Yeah, it's not high. It's really not. It feels good out here actually. Since the sun went down, it feels really nice.
Not far away.
Really?
I mean, you'll get the
Not supposed to.
sit down and watch the fireworks.
Hey guys, if you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.